Hello viewers, how are you doing? I want to bring to your table. Some of you has been asking, I want to start content creating. How do I start? How do I do this? What type of content will I start that will be fetching me money? No. Every content gives you money. Yes. Every content gives you money. Hence, you meet Facebook criteria. Now, these are some of the content that I know that will make you wealthy. They are more than, but let me give you these ones. You know how to talk. You know how to cook stories. You know how to gossip, cook stories with people. Eh? My dear, bring it to Facebook. Bring it to Facebook. Make it a nice story. Put your camera. Eh? After saying what you want to say, you edit the video. Put it on your page. People will come and watch it. Yes. You're a medical doctor. You can tell people about their health. Bring it to Facebook. There are people that want to listen to you every day about their health. Bring it. You are someone that knows about herbals. Someone can use herbal and cure any sickness that the person is passing through. Bring it to Facebook. People will listen to you. You are someone that can sew clothes. Come to Facebook. There are people that want to learn from you. You are a nurse. You can lecture people about their health. Bring it. You're a midwifery. You can tell women about their pregnancy, what to do and what not to do about their pregnancy and their baby. Bring it to. What are you waiting for? You can advise people. Come to Facebook. You can bring words of motivation to someone that is heavy laden. Bring it to Facebook. You can lecture people about relationship. Bring it to Facebook. Are you a teacher? Can you teach mathematics? Can you teach physics? Can you teach biology? Just set your camera as I set my own. Keep your board and teach as if you have a class you are teaching. The same thing you do in the classroom. My dear, people will come to your page and watch you. Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time laundering the streets, saying that I don't have anything to do. Facebook has made people billionaire. Facebook have built house for people. Facebook have make people to ride cars that jobs cannot fetch them. So therefore, that which you know how to do very well, bring it to Facebook. You will see how you'll be cashing out. Hence, you're being monetized. So whenever you relax at home, I don't have work to do. Hence, you have this phone. It will fetch you a lot of money and it will put food on your table. Bring it to Facebook. Stop calling your uncle. Uncle, that 5,000 I told you to send for me. I didn't see it again. Make something with your life. Stop looking at people's help. Because those people they are looking at their help, They have many things to attend to. They have many needs to attend to. And you know that problems of life doesn't finish. So before that, your uncle will remember you, my dear. It is just the grace of God. Solve your problem by yourself by using your smartphone. Yes. So if there is any content you want me to teach about on this page or you don't understand, my dear, it's not only comedy that gives people money. There are other content that gives you wear your slippers, your new slippers, you just snappy, you do your leg like this, you shift it left, you shift it right. It's content. Post it. People will laugh and comment. As I'm just wearing my cap, I borrowed my husband's cap and borrow his shirt and pose here. Yes, it's content. Stop looking for people's help while we have smartphone. I don't want this video to be long. Keep watching and keep